If you are looking for a plant for your yard or garden that's useful, and by that I mean edible, medicinal, attracts pollinators, attracts dragonflies that feed on mosquitoes, and which is pretty, deer resistant, and stays green in the winter, yarrow is your plant. Its leaves don't die out in the winter in milder climates, as it's cold hardy to minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 34 degrees Celsius, so it's perfect for bare winter beds. It also has very long roots, so it's great in areas prone to erosion. And since it's medicinal, it may come in handy in emergencies year-round. It's antimicrobial, so it may help prevent an infection of a wound, but it's mostly known for its ability to stop bleeding, as it helps the blood clot. It also has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, and thus its flowers and leaves have been used as tea to treat pneumonia, common cold, cough, and other respiratory disorders. Yarrow tea is also being investigated for its anti-corona potential.